Good afternoon, man.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, may I know your introduction, please?
Uh, yes, I'm Santosh Sherma.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Patri in Morang district.
Mm. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Height, weight?
My height is 5 feet 4 inch and weight 56 kg.
Okay. How many members are there in your family?
There are four members in my family.
Okay. What is your education qualification?
My qualification level +2 pass.
Plus two pass. Okay. Do you have any technical knowledge?
Yes, I have. I have learned barista course.
Mm-hmm. How many days?
21 days.
Okay. Do you know the duties of a barista?
Yes, barista make coffee
Mm-hmm.
and he bar barista also can make art of coffee,
Okay.
such as heart,
Mm-hmm.
tulips,
Mm-hmm.
etc.
Okay.
etc.
Why do you want to go to Romania?
Because I want to support my family
Mm.
for better salary.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you have any friends and relatives in Romania?
No,
No. Do you smoke and drink?
no.
Will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
My sister-in-law take care of my family.
Okay. Do you take the vaccine of COVID?
Yes.
Okay. Best of luck.
Okay.